Hello everyone, if you're facing this error in Roblox, error code 504 gateway timed out, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying error on your Roblox. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to right here view network connections, you're going to go to your network connection. So if you're on Ethernet, you'll have an Ethernet one. If you're on Wi-Fi, you'll have a WLAN one. So just click onto your network connection, go into properties, go into internet protocol version 4, click properties here, click use the following DNS server addresses, right here 1.1.1.1 and then write 1.0.0.1, press OK as well, and then go ahead and restart your computer once. And once you're done with the restart, now open up your web browser and try to play Roblox, and you'll see that you won't get that error 504 anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.